Mystical China, A Journey Through Time. Chapter 1. The Middle Kingdom. In the heart of East Asia, where ancient traditions meet modern innovation and towering skyscrapers cast their shadows over serene temples, lies a land of boundless beauty and rich cultural heritage, China. With its majestic landscapes, vibrant cities, and millennia-old history, China beckons travelers from around the world to embark on a journey through its timeless wonders. As the sun rises over the Forbidden City in Beijing, casting a golden glow over the ancient imperial palace, a young adventurer named Li Wei stands at the gates, gazing in awe at the intricate architecture and storied history that surrounds him. With a sense of reverence and curiosity stirring in his soul, he knows that his journey through the Middle Kingdom has only just begun. From the bustling streets of Beijing to the serene waters of West Lake in Hangzhou, Li Wei sets out to explore the diverse landscapes and cultural treasures of China. He marvels at the awe-inspiring Great Wall snaking its way across the rugged mountains, a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the ancient Chinese people. And he loses himself in the labyrinthine hutongs of old Beijing, where hidden courtyards and ancient temples offer glimpses into the city's storied past. But it's not just the monuments and landmarks that captivate Li Wei, it's the spirit of the people he meets along the way. In the bustling markets of Xi'an, he shares stories and laughter with street vendors selling steaming bowls of noodles and fragrant dumplings, each bite a taste of China's rich culinary heritage. And in the tranquil gardens of Suzhou, he learns the art of calligraphy from a wise old master, his brush strokes flowing with grace and precision. Chapter 2. The Silk Road. Leaving behind the urban hustle and bustle, Li Wei sets his sights on the ancient Silk Road, a network of trade routes that connected China to the far reaches of the world, from the Mediterranean to the Indian Ocean. From the bustling bazaars of Kashgar to the majestic desert dunes of Dunhuang, he embarks on a journey through history, following in the footsteps of merchants and travelers who traversed this ancient path centuries ago. In the remote oasis town of Turpan, Li Wei discovers the ruins of ancient cities and Buddhist cave temples carved into the cliffs, their faded frescoes and crumbling statues bearing witness to the passage of time. He rides camels through the shifting sands of the Taklamakan Desert, the vastness of the landscape stretching out before him like an ocean of sand. And he gazes in wonder at the towering mountains of the Pamir Plateau, their snow-capped peaks reaching towards the heavens. But it's not just the physical beauty of the Silk Road that moves Li Wei. It's the sense of connection and unity that binds together the diverse cultures and peoples along its route. In the bustling markets of Samarkand, he meets traders and merchants from distant lands, their faces weathered by sun and wind, their languages a cacophony of sounds. And in the quiet villages of the Pamir Mountains, he shares meals and stories with nomadic herders, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the land. Chapter 3. The Land of Legends. Continuing his journey through China, Li Wei finds himself drawn to the land of legends, the remote mountains and mist-shrouded valleys where ancient myths and folk tales come to life. From the sacred peaks of Mount Tai to the ethereal beauty of Huangshan, he embarks on a quest to uncover the secrets of China's mythical past. In the shadow of Mount Hua, Li Wei climbs steep stone steps carved into the mountainside, the air thin and cool as he ascends towards the heavens. He passes through ancient temples and shrines, their incense-scented halls filled with the whispers of pilgrims and the prayers of the faithful. And at the summit, he gazes out at the world below, the landscape stretching out before him like a tapestry woven from dreams. But it's not just the physical beauty of the mountains that captivates Li Wei. It's the sense of awe and wonder that fills the air, a feeling of reverence for the sacred places that have inspired poets and artists for centuries. In the quiet forests of Mount Tai, he encounters monks and hermits who have dedicated their lives to spiritual practice, their faces serene and their minds as vast as the sky. And in the mist-shrouded valleys of Jizhegu, he discovers a world of breathtaking beauty and tranquility, where the colors of autumn dance in the crystal-clear waters of ancient lakes. As his journey through China comes to an end, Li Wei reflects on the experiences and adventures that have shaped him along the way. From the bustling cities to the remote mountains, from the ancient Silk Road to the sacred peaks, he has discovered the true essence of his homeland, the spirit of resilience, the beauty of tradition, and the strength of the human spirit. And as he watches the sun set over the Yellow River, casting its golden light over the land, Li Wei knows that his journey is far from over. With a heart full of memories and a soul filled with gratitude, he looks to the future, ready to continue exploring the wonders of China and the world beyond. For in the land of legends, anything is possible, and the adventure is just beginning.